Who is this Allah? What is this Allah? And why do I have to submit to Him? Allah Azza wa Jal is the King, the creator of the heavens and the earths. Allah is the creator of all things, that which you see and that which you don't. He is the one who created all things, the sustainer of all things. He is the all-seeing, the all-hearing, the all-knowing, the all-wise, the all-powerful, the almighty. Who is this Allah? Allah is the creator of the heavens and the earth. He is the one that knows what you and I don't know. He sees what you and I don't see. He's in control of all things. Nothing escapes Allah. Nothing. He is in complete, full control. Allah doesn't get tired. Allah doesn't get sleepy. Allah doesn't get restless. Allah doesn't get bored. Allah never does Allah not know what to do. He is in complete control. You and I have accepted this Allah, this creator. We have accepted Him to be the all-knowing, almighty, all-powerful. This is Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earths. He created me. Now, I have submitted completely and fully to Him.